In the next 3 minutes, we're going to set up the Arduino software for free on your personal computer. Hi, my name is Jeremy, and welcome to the 0th tutorial in a series of videos aimed to teach the basics of using an Arduino microcontroller so that you may compete in this semester's Solid State Circuit Society Arduino contest. More information available in the link below. Alright, let's get started. First off, what is an Arduino? Well, it's an open source platform which enables you to create virtually any electronics project you can think of. As a disclaimer, SSCS is not sponsored by Arduino. We simply value their contribution to the industry and believe their products provide a great platform to embark into the world of technology. Nevertheless, Arduino makes many different variations of microcontrollers. Think of a microcontroller as a small, pocket-sized computer that you can program to follow any set of instructions. Today, I will be using the Arduino Uno, their most popular version. Interestingly, since the designs are open source, there are many companies that create boards identical to this one, albeit with a different logo. Feel free to use any Arduino-compatible microcontroller. To get started, let's download Arduino's free development software. This will help us program the microcontroller. Follow the left side of your screen if you're using a Windows computer and the right side for Mac. Using the following link, head to the official Arduino website. Under the Software tab, download and install the version corresponding to your operating system. You will be given the option to donate to the cause or download the program for free. Simply follow the steps being shown. Once done, plug in the Arduino into your computer using the provided USB cable. Now, open the program. At this point, you may be asked to update your drivers. If so, do it now. If you face any issues, follow the link below to learn how to install the drivers manually. To connect to the board, simply select the version from the drop-down list. I am using the official Arduino Uno, so I'll select that one. You will also need to select the USB port it is connected to. And just like that, you're ready to start your adventure. Join us next video when we will create our very first program.